Endives. What a curious word, what a curious thing. Imagine, if you will, a leafy vegetable. It is green, yes, but also a bit white. It has a slightly bitter taste. Some people enjoy it in salads, others perhaps not so much. But endives, you see, are more than just food. They are a symbol, a gateway to a world of imagination. Think of Alice tumbling down the rabbit hole. She found herself in a strange and wonderful land surrounded by talking animals and peculiar characters. Endives, my dear reader, can be our very own rabbit hole. Now, you might be wondering, why on earth would someone sleep among endives? It seems a rather unusual place for a nap, wouldn't you agree? Perhaps it was a weary gardener overcome by the summer sun, or maybe a mischievous child hiding from the world. Or could it be something more, a yearning for simplicity, a desire to escape the hustle and bustle of life, to reconnect with nature? The reasons, my friend, are as varied as the stars in the sky. In the realm of dreams, endives take on a life of their own. They whisper secrets to those who listen. They dance in our subconscious, their leaves rustling with hidden meanings. Some say endives represent bitterness, the challenges we face in life. Others see them as symbols of resilience, their ability to thrive in difficult conditions. Still others believe endives represent hidden depths, the complexities that lie beneath the surface. Just as the endive has layers of leaves, so too do we have layers to our being. There is a certain comfort to be found in nature. The rustle of leaves, the chirping of birds, the feel of soft earth beneath our feet. It grounds us, soothes our weary souls. Perhaps that is why someone might seek solace among the endives, to escape the noise and chaos of the world, to find peace in the simplicity of nature. Even in the most unexpected of places, beauty and tranquility can be found. Section 5. Endives and Everyday Life. A bittersweet reality. Endives, like life itself, can be a bit bittersweet. They have a slightly bitter taste, yet they also offer a satisfying crunch. They can be enjoyed fresh in salads or cooked into comforting dishes. So too, life is full of contrast, joy and sorrow, triumph and defeat, sweetness and bitterness. But it is in these contrasts that we truly experience the richness of life. Section 6. The search for meaning. Endives as a metaphor. Asleep among endives. It's a curious phrase, isn't it? One that invites contemplation. What does it mean to be asleep? And what significance do the endives hold? Perhaps it is a metaphor for our own lives. We wander through a garden of experiences, searching for meaning and purpose. We may find ourselves lost or confused, unsure of which path to take. But even in the midst of uncertainty, there is beauty to be found. Section 7. Waking up to new perspectives. Lessons from the Endive Patch. Imagine waking up among the endives. The sun is rising, casting a warm glow on the leaves. The air is fresh and crisp. The world seems new and full of possibilities. This is the beauty of a fresh perspective. When we take the time to see the world through different eyes, we open ourselves up to new experiences. The endives, in their own quiet way, remind us to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, to find wonder in the everyday. Section 8. Finding ourselves, the journey through the garden of life. Life is a journey, a meandering path through a garden of experiences. We encounter joy and sorrow, love and loss, triumph and defeat. Along the way, we may find ourselves asleep at times, lost in our thoughts or caught up in the busyness of life. But it is in these moments of quiet reflection that we often discover our true selves. The endives, in their own subtle way, remind us to embrace the journey with all its twists and turns. Section 9. Conclusion. Asleep among endives. A final thought. So, what does it mean to be asleep among endives? It is a question with no easy answer. But perhaps that is the point. It is a phrase that invites us to think outside the box, to explore the hidden meanings in everyday life. It reminds us that even in the most ordinary of things, magic can be found. And so, my dear reader, I leave you with this. May your dreams be filled with curious adventures, and may you always find beauty in the unexpected.